Hello everyone, I'm vak1 doing my first experiment of my web technology lab. The exercise name is Simple Web Design using HTML. I'm asked to create a document that conforms to HTML5 standards and has the following elements. So these are the said elements we have to use in the program. Proceeding to NetBeans. There's an HTML, we are using an HTML tag in which there are two subdivisions, head and body tag. In head tag, we are using a title tag in which we display our experiment name. That is, I'm using my experiment name as experiment1, and we are closing the head tag by a slash head thing. Now I'm proceeding to my body tag. In body tag, I'm using my div tag. In div tag shows the sequential manner of a paragraph. That means if a paragraph is given and we are asked to divide the paragraph into a single section, that's where div tag is used. And in heading tag, we're using an h1 tag. In heading h1 tag, in heading tag, there are 6 different types of head tags, that is h1 to h6. By using h1 tag, we can see the font size of the h1 tag, this thing. And similarly, I'm using my h2 tag in order to create another heading, that is subheading 1. So you could see the difference between the h1 tag and the h2 tag. So this is the h2 tag I'm using. And now proceeding to my p tag. P tag is a paragraph tag in which if we open a paragraph tag, we can copy the paragraph and subsequently we can close the paragraph tag. Coming on to the next thing, I'm using a div tag, and similarly now I'm using an anchor tag in which href. Href is an hyperlink which takes us to a particular link that is written in this program. And now these all are the href tag and all. Now next, image source. If in order to paste an image from web or from our personal documents or something, we can use an image source and we can write this destination of the said image. And if by chance in this I'm writing, and if this doesn't work out, and if this doesn't work out, we are writing an image thing so that this image is copied. And again, in style, we are using a width, height and border in order to shape the image accordingly. And we are closing the anchor tag. And now we are proceeding to subheading 2. Here also we are using an h2 tag as shown here. This is subheading 2. You can see this and this are of same font size. Here we are opening an unordered list, so because in question there is an we are asked to create an unordered list, and then we are opening a list order, and then again we are using an OL, that is ordered list. We are closing all the items, and now again I'm using my I'm doing my third subdivision, that is subheading 3. Can see as here. So these all are the said ordered list and unordered list. And again I'm using my subheading 3 again, like hashtag this subdivision tag is used to what if we are using a paragraph tag, all the paragraph line will be in the same line. If we are using thing, so it all comes in an orderly manner. So again I'm closing this tag here, and then now I'm using my tr tag. Tr tag is like something known as table row, and td to create rows we are using a tr tag, and td to display all the things. And now I'm using my cold span. Cold span is like to combine the if I'm sure, for example, if the cold span is equal to 2 means we have to combine two columns into one, and then there is a row span 3 equal is if the row span is something we have to like a row span is to combine all the 3 rows. So all this I'm like the TD is used to display, and I'm closing my HTML body tag, table tag, div tag, and then HTML tag. So I'm getting the output as something like this. So these are the href tags used. These are the orderly and unorderly list. And here are the column rows. So I'm using that W3 validator. So these are the errors. But then we are using my we are asked to write the program in an HTML format. So these are the CSS errors, so it doesn't matter actually. So thank you.